Hello everyone, I'm Storm Tracker AT meteorologist Austin Haskins. It was a gloomy day across the area yesterday with some rain and a couple of thunderstorms mixed in, but it was mostly just a light to moderate rain that fell. We had some heavier pockets of rain at times early yesterday morning. In fact, some spots total with the rain yesterday morning and also what we had during the evening did see over an inch of rain. Mostly that was across our southern counties. The farther north and west you went, those totals were quite a bit less. But today, though, looking really nice. A lot of sunshine. Breezy, a little bit on the muggy side. Those dew points are going to remain in the lower 60s, and they'll kind of stay mostly in the 60s going forward. There could be a stray afternoon shower or thunderstorm around, but a lot of the higher resolution futurecasts, as you'll see here coming up, kind of backing off on that idea. 4th of July itself, we're still tracking shower and thunderstorm chances. The highest coverage looks to be Thursday night still. Heavy rain and severe storms are still certainly possible. The weekend, showers and some thunder on Friday. Just scattered rain chances over the weekend. Essentially, again, not everyone's going to see rain each day, but everyone has a chance of seeing a shower or storm. The coverage is going to be, again, pretty scattered in nature. So let's take you through Futurecast. Again, some clouds and some fog in parts of the area this morning, but for the most part, we are looking really quiet. Now, if you remember yesterday, even during the evening and morning hours, we had a couple of showers and maybe some isolated storms tracking through. At least Futurecast was hinting at that, but now, as you see, not really showing anything. So we're going to leave the rain chances at about a 1 in 10 chance or less today, but I'm going to mention the possibility that 1 or 2 could certainly develop. Now, again, tomorrow morning is still a little bit of a question mark in the forecast. Some models are keeping things completely dry. Others have a couple of showers and a few storms around. I'm going to split the middle and kind of say we're going to go a mix of sun and clouds with just a slight chance for a few showers and storms. But as we head into the afternoon, that's when I think the rain coverage is going to start to kind of increase, the number of showers and storms, and then it really becomes more widespread as we head into Thursday night. Unfortunately, right around the time that the fireworks festivities will be taking place across most of the areas. So something that we'll be watching there. Rain and storms continue overnight into Friday morning and throughout the day Friday in somewhat scattered fashion as we head into the second half of the day. I think the higher coverage of rain Friday is going to be in the morning, and then it'll start to slowly taper off into the afternoon and evening hours. Here's another look at Futurecast, and again, nothing really going on today. Got a few clouds in the afternoon, and again, you can see maybe, again, just a stray shower or rumble of thunder. This one's keeping it mostly east of our area, but that could very well be in parts of our area as well. Now, tonight, again, still pretty quiet. This one is showing the idea of a couple of showers and a few storms, maybe not super early in the morning, more so mid to late morning, and then that'll continue again in scattered fashion into the afternoon before the rain coverage starts to pick up. Though this run, this is the HRRR model, is not showing as much coverage of those showers and storms around fireworks time tomorrow night. So we'll have to watch that. I mean, I think the coverage of rain is going to be decently high, but there's a possibility there may be a break in there. We could get the fireworks in. But as always, stay with us. We'll keep you updated on the forecast. So how much rain are we looking at? This is for Thursday and Friday combined. Anywhere most likely from about 2/10 to 1/4 of an inch to as much as 1 to 1.5 inches. Higher end totals could be 2 to 3 inches, and that's dependent on where the heaviest rain falls, and of course we get training of storms, multiple waves of rain and storms moving over the same area. That's kind of a possibility that we'll be watching closely. And I want to mention too, as I mentioned earlier, there is a threat for severe weather as well. It is a level 1 out of 5 risk, but I could very well see this potentially maybe being increased if we end up not seeing any rain or storms in the morning hours. That's something that I will be watching closely. But nonetheless, it's a lower end risk, but still something to watch, of course, with it being 4th of July tomorrow. Main hazards, hail up to about $half size and some winds that could be 55 to 65 miles per hour. Tornado risk is not expected, but as always, you can never rule out the possibility of a brief one spinning up, especially in any severe weather setup. So kind of a breakdown on what to expect for tomorrow. This is kind of what my thinking is on this. So morning hours, mostly to partly sunny, slight chance of showers and storms. The better chance for that would be south and west of Menominee and Eau Claire. Afternoon hours, mostly cloudy, a bit humid. Well, it'll be a bit humid in the morning too, regardless, but nonetheless, humid throughout the day. The number of shower and thunderstorms start to increase, and we could have a couple strong to severe storms in the afternoon. During the nighttime, that's when the highest coverage of showers and storms is expected, and I think, once again, severe storms and heavy rain are going to be possible. And my latest forecast for the 4th of July itself for tomorrow night around fireworks time, again, likely chance for scattered showers and storms. Temperatures Right now I have it in the mid to upper 60s to lower 70s, but that could be very well dependent on if the rain moves in earlier or later, and if we're going to be seeing any rain or storms around that time. So we could see these numbers be a little bit higher and maybe staying either the same or a little bit lower. So we'll just kind of watch that closely. Highs today though, great day. Low to mid 80s, a lot of sunshine again. If you have the opportunity to get outside today, it's going to be a great day for that. Lows tonight, 55 to 60 for most towns. Lower 60s farther south and west. Highs tomorrow, a little bit cooler. We'll go upper 70s and lower 80s across the area. Again, that's dependent on the rain and storm coverage and also the cloud coverage as well. I think we're going to have enough sunshine tomorrow for at least most spots to get up to that 80-degree mark. And then on Friday, we really take a step back again. Highs very similar to what we had on Tuesday, upper 60s and lower 70s. And going through the weekend, the temperatures do bounce back closer to 80 with some chances for scattered showers and storms. Again, not going to rain everywhere each day, but the chance is there nonetheless, and it will be staying a bit humid as well.